A gray background doesn't matter when you've got an amazing RC to brighten up your day, my friends. Check this out. Have you seen the Losi Super Rock Ray? This is basically the answer to the Yeti XL. It's enormous. I've already gone and beefed it up in some areas. I put in the back trailing arms. I put in the carbon fiber shock towers in the back. I haven't messed with the front much except for changing out the steering spindles on it. It is absolutely freezing out here, but it doesn't matter. I want to get outside and have some fun because I can always warm up when I go back inside. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, the shortest video I've ever done. Look at that. That's how you know it is absolutely epically freezing outside. I took 2 jumps. 2 jumps. That's what I get. Oh, disappointment today. Not going to be enough glue in the world to fix that. Woohoo!